Alright, so there you guys go. That's what the lenses look like on my eyes, and here are some stills so you guys can see them up close and personal. And now let's get on to the review proper. Okay, so if you guys have been following me for quite some time, you guys know that I love Solotica lenses. I love the natural color range because they're just very natural looking on the eyes. Again, I have to emphasize this every time I do a contact lens video because there's some people out there that just always say negative things. These lenses look natural on the eye, not on me because I'm Asian. Obviously, that's a given. I'm just talking about what it looks like on the actual eye. Now, I feel like these two shades are two of the most popular shades, and also like the really grey one, I forget the name of that one. They're very, very popular from Solotica, so I thought I would put them side by side and see if there's much of a difference between the colours. Now, I don't know if you guys can see, but for me personally, I can definitely tell that Topazio is definitely a lot darker, whereas Quartzo is a little bit lighter and a little bit more grey. If that makes sense, almost like a grey-green, whereas Topazio is definitely more like that sea green kind of colour. Honestly, I first thought these lenses were going to be more on the blue side when I first saw photos of them online, but again, it really depends on your natural eye colour. I feel like people that have lighter brown eyes or more like hazel eyes, they tend to look a little bit more grey and therefore look a little bit more blue, like both shades. But with my dark brown eyes, and because my brown is more of like a reddy brown, I feel like the way it's blending in with my natural eye colour is just giving me these colours. So Quartzo again is definitely more like a grey green, and then Topazio is again more of like a sea green. Which one do I prefer? Honestly, I feel like it's really hard because I love both shades, but honestly speaking, the most natural looking would definitely have to be Topazio, simply because it's definitely got more dimension and it's a little bit darker. So usually contact lenses that are a little bit darker and have a little bit more dimension tend to blend in well with darker colored eyes. So like obviously me, so it just looks a little bit more natural. Quartzo is definitely very pretty. It's definitely one of those shades that just pops on your eyes, and yeah, I just really like it. Now in terms of how obvious is the limbal ring, I feel with Quartzo it's a little bit more defined just because the color itself, the lens color itself, is a lot lighter, so you can definitely see a contrast. Whereas with Topazio, because it's a little bit of a darker shade of blue-green, the darkness kind of fades in with it better, so it kind of almost looks like more of a seamless color as opposed to different colors, as opposed to seeing different segments of color, if that makes sense. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all I can say. I mean, it's really up to you guys whether or not you guys would like to purchase Topazio or Quartzo. It depends on what kind of look you're going for. If you guys want a lighter shade, definitely Quartzo is definitely a lot lighter. If you want something a little bit more natural, kind of like blue-green shade on your eyes, definitely go for Topazio. Are they both natural looking? Can you get away without wearing makeup for both? If you have dark features like myself, I feel like both shades work fine. Definitely Quartzo is more eye-catching, Topazio is definitely more on the natural side of things. Now I did get Topazio from a different company. I got it from lens.me. I think I still have a discount code for them. I don't know if it's still working, but I definitely still have a discount code that's working with Vision Marketplace, which is where I got Quartzo. All links and affiliate codes and stuff like that will be down in the description box down below, and yes, it's an affiliate code link, so I do get some money from it. You don't have to use it obviously, but I would appreciate it if you guys did. But yeah, if you guys would like to see individual reviews for these lenses, I have done them before. I know my review for my Quartzo ones I think are a little bit old, so just definitely let me know if you guys would like me to create an updated one, because every time I go on the internet and look up Solotica, there's always like 2018, 2019, so I don't know if they actually change the pattern or the intensity of the color every year. If you guys know that information, definitely let me know down in the comment box down below. But yeah, otherwise, if you guys like me to do updated reviews. Also, if you guys like this type of video where I compare two different shades with each other, definitely let me know, and let me know what other contact lenses you'd like me to compare each shade to. I'm happy to take requests because I know you guys love these contact lens reviews, and you guys have very positive feedback for me, so yeah, I really appreciate that. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you guys haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!